Hey everyone, before I get on to it, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below and head over to my Patreon page to help support the channel. Well, today I am cooking up a venison sausage. So here's the sausage right here. Nice half-pound venison sausage. I'm going to skewer it up and get cooking. Here's the sausage. You want to do some cooking? Here, you hold that while I go fill this up. Well, Brandon just figured out a good lazy trick.
You put a rock on it.
On the stick and then just leave it. So basically looks...
It's almost like a spit, but like modified. All you do is lift it, turn it, and it cooks it.
Here's the sausage. Nice and lovely. Now, it's not, just came off the heat, so it's not going to be burning hot. So. Yeah, it is. Ow!
It smells like bratwurst.
Yeah. I'm impatient. This is fantastic.
That's good.
This is really good venison sausage. Really good. See if you can find any store that sells venison sausage. Or you make your own. This is fantastic. So remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.